Are you looking for best Bluetooth car amplifier? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best Bluetooth car amplifiers on the market. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Starting at number 1. Woopker AK45 HiFi Digital Car Amplifier. Feature: Mini HiFi Digital Bluetooth Audio Power Amplifier. Add single cycle button to cycle favorite music easily. SD/USB interface. 2 mic inputs with remote control. TF card, AUX, UDisc, MP3 format play. Support Bluetooth wireless connection. Supports FM stereo radio, MP3 media player. With treble, bass, and volume control, very easy to use. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Live product page overview. Number 2. Nobsound Mini Bluetooth Car Sound Amplifiers. This is Nobsound's new power amplifier in 2024. Based on our previous product, we enhance its output power and improve its functionality, while still keep its mini size and elegant design, supporting AUX, USB, Bluetooth input. You can enjoy your music in different ways. The Bluetooth function is also upgraded. Now it is more stable and faster. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Live product page overview. Number 3. Wiring harness Car DSP amplifier. This product is non-destructive audio car modification of new products, exclusive use of quad-core 32-bit DSP processing chip, nanosecond processing speed, DRC dynamic music processing, using DSP computer tuning technology, lossless installation, easy tuning, take up a small space. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Live product page overview. Number 4. Digital Bluetooth Amplifier for Car. 2.13 channel amplifier 2x38W50W subwoofer digital wireless Bluetooth 5.0 power amp USB loseless music play for car home. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Live product page overview. Number 5. Sennuopu Bluetooth Car Amplifier. The Car Amplifier DSP DPX10 packs high-quality audio media player, amplifier, and digital signal processor into a compact. Designed to simplify great audio, every amplifier combines advanced switching amplifier technology with an integrated, full-featured digital signal processor. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Live product page overview.